Hello, welcome back to Aussie Coinage Hunters. Well, today I got my package in the mail from the Mint, Royal Australian Mint, and it's the Tooth Fairy kit. Now, they re-released these. These were sold out quite quickly, and so they've re-released these. And there is some different things, such as the design, not the design's the same, but the colouring. So on the first release, these leaves and mushrooms were a pinkish orangey colour. So now they're a yellowish colour. So yeah. Okay, let's have a look. I think most have seen these. So you got the mirror with the design again. These were the pinkish orangey colour with the first release. And yeah, so we'll just get what I don't know, I think most have seen these. So you got like a pen glittery thing, bamboo toothbrush, and a tooth chart. So yeah, now the thing that changed with this was the actual coin itself. Now with the first release, these coins, the $2 coin, was just in the bag. There was no capsule sort of thing like this one's in. And the problem was a lot of these coins were toning. I'm not sure if it was from the material from the bag or the box, or yeah, not sure, but the Mint have fixed that now and have released this new set in a capsule, so it should keep the coin from tarnishing or toning over the short period. They probably might tone in the long term, as we have seen with some Mint sets from the 80s. So they do tone slightly. But yeah, I thought I'll just make a video on this about the changes. So if you're looking to pick one up, actually there's none available. I just checked the website, so you could phone the Mint and see if there's any, because they do update the site every now and then. So yeah, if you're looking to pick one up, yeah, I would now. I still think, well, actually, I think, well, if you get collectors, they may want the two, because with the different colouring, some people like to collect both. I didn't get the first one, I missed out, so, and I won't be buying it. It's a bit overpriced in my opinion, and yeah, just the $2 toning puts me off a bit. But yeah, I'll just stick with this one. And yeah, I'm happy to have picked this up for retail. I think $25, I believe it was. So yeah, and this is a popular $2 coin too. So yeah, it's a nice design. Yeah. Well, let me know what you think. If you've got the first set, the first release, will you be buying this second release because of the different colours and that the $2 is in this capsule? Or you just stick with the first release and not worry about this one? Yeah, okay, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video.